Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, this is week number 6 where I'm going to be participating in the Love Your Home challenge. And today we're challenged to clean our walls or either windows, and I'll be cleaning this door to my guest bedroom. I've been looking at this door for about 6 months, and I just decided to go ahead and clean it in this video. So yeah, so you know I have 5 grandchildren. I hadn't cleaned it since I've been in the house, and I've been in the house over almost 14, 15 years. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the before and show you what I'm gonna clean with, and then show you the after. So yeah, so this video is being hosted by Marilyn over at Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. So I have all her information in the description box, and I want to thank everyone who's participating in the challenge. So yeah. So I always pass by this room and be like, well, I'm thinking about buying a larger house one day. I ain't gonna worry about it, but I'm learning to love my home at the moment that I have for now. I may not buy a new house. So I have redirected my focus on being thankful for what I do have and taking care of what I do have, and stop focusing on a bigger house or another house. So that's why I was excited to participate in this challenge. So yeah, so that's where I'm at with my home. So yeah, so just because I'm buying a new house don't mean I don't need to take care of the one I have. So yeah, so that's my motivation for today, and we're supposed to give some tips. So what I'll be using is one of these Mr. Clean Dry Erase sponges. I've cleaned some of my other doors and it works well, and I'll be using the Awesome. You can pick this up at the dollar store for $1. Well, $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'll just spray this down, spray the door down, and just let it sit for a little bit for about 30 minutes, and then I'll come back with the sponge. So I'll just do that now. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. So what I'm gonna do is get an old towel or something. I like towels I no longer use. I'll lay one on the floor, you know, so it won't be all on my floor. So let me do that now, and I'll be back. And I'm also be doing the door frame. So I found an old pillowcase I do not want. So we're gonna spray this on. This Awesome is strong, so a tip that I have for you is to let your windows up or either turn on some fans while you're doing this. So I have my vent on. I'll turn my vent on in my bathroom right across the hall from here. So that's how I'll ventilate this area while I'm cleaning. So I'll be back. I'm so excited, guys. I'm finally finished. You saw all those stubborn stains that's been there for years. Yeah, I had to put a little pressure behind my sponge, but you just let your awesome sit. I let mine sit for about 15 minutes. And yeah, and this is the result. I'm so pleased with it. I think I'm going to go back in and go back in with some white paint like I did my other doors. Since it's clean, I'll probably do that next week. So yeah, you see I used 2 sponges and a washcloth. Yeah, it was stubborn, but I got it done. It looks so much better. So yeah, this is the Love Your Home Challenge week 6. Want to go ahead and thank Marilyn and all the other participants. I hope this gave you some inspirations to get some things done around your home. So this is Miss V. You know I'm always show you a way to save. Thank you and have a nice day.